Hi everyone. I'm gonna be making coffee. I'm gonna be pouring this milk inside. This is a ceramic cup, which is meant for microwave, which is safe for microwave. Your cup is safe. So I'm gonna be pouring this milk inside. So maybe this. This is an easy way to make it, and it's just 3 steps. Let me keep this inside. And then you can keep it for around 50 seconds, so you don't need to do it over and over again. Yup, it is hot. So I just kept this milk in the microwave. As I told, please keep ceramic cup for your cup to be safe. So now you add actually add coffee powder, 1/2 spoon. So I keep it, and then just keep 1/2 spoon. And this is enough, so then you mix it. So now I'm going to be adding maple syrup. Up to you, you can use maple syrup or you can use brown sugar or sugar. So I'm going to be adding maple syrup to it. Yep, like this much is fine. So now I mix it. So I'm gonna now drink it. See, don't think it's too hot. Good, I think it's good, awesome. Try this at home. It's just 3 steps. It's easy and it's yummy. Thank you.